You're gonna draw? Draw. Yep.
Oh.
Oh. You putting them in your Cheerios? Oh, it tastes kind of funny then.
Lexi, can you say hi? Say
Say
hi.
hi. Say hi to Mama. Say hi. Can you say hi?
Say hi, aunties.
Say hi.
Can you say grandma?
Good girl. Hi.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Can you say auntie? How about Debbie? Baby? How about Debbie? Can you say Debbie? How about Dai?
Oh, I'll pick it up later. You have a lot of them.